if you are done editing your video and you want to export it, just look at the top left corner of your screen here. You are going to see import, edit and export. These are like the 3 stages a video will pass through when it's being edited in Premiere Pro. Of course, we've seen import. This is where you bring in your videos. Edit. This is where you manipulate and edit and create your desired output. And export is where you need to come before your video is produced. So at the top here is file name. This is where you can rename your file. We can call it test. And here you can change the location you want your video to export to. If you click it, it opens a folder where you can change the location. If you want to maintain a good quality, just leave it at match source, adaptive high bitrate, or you can select any other high quality preset here. Mind you that if you select adaptive medium bitrate, the size of your video will reduce, but it might also drop some quality. Like this is the size currently 4974 MB, which is 4.9 gig. When I select match source, adaptive medium bitrate, it drops to 3 gig. Now I'm going to show you how to actually reduce your video size manually and still get the best quality just now. But before that, you want to set your format to H.264. This is MP4. H.264 is MP4. Unless you were demanded to export this video on a particular format, you should export at H.264. H.264 can be played in most devices. Then for video, for your basic video settings, this one follows the settings of your sequence, so you don't need to touch anything here. Now if you have a high-end system like those gaming PC, you can use hardware encoding just like I'm using here. You have software encoding, but hardware encoding is faster because the hardware does the job. Because of those PCs that have extra RAMs, dedicated graphics RAMs like NVIDIA and Radeon. So leave every other thing the same, and like I said, if you want to drop the size of your video without losing much quality, you can do it here manually by reducing the bitrate. This is what actually determines the quality of your video. So make sure you don't drop your bitrate below 10. If you want to export your video at HD, you should leave your bitrate at 10. Of course, 4K videos will be higher than 10. You can also get extra settings for audio, multiplier captions, effects and so on, but with this you are good to go. You can actually send this video to media encoder to export even faster, but the difference might not be felt if you are using a high-end PC. Just hit export and your video starts exporting. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, click the subscribe button, press that bell icon and toggle all notifications so that whenever I drop content like this, you'll be the first to know. And most importantly guys, help this video reach 1000 likes and also share to other creative minds that will need such content. And if you are so interested in learning color grading, just click this video on your screen right now. I will see you in my next video.